Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Magnum Offshore, and this is the first episode of 2022. I have some spots that I always wanted to explore. Today is the first one of them and I want to share this experience with you. It's secret spot number 1. Let's go and have a good day together. So, the day started with good preparation for the dive, so we make sure we forget nothing. And that's my shadow going hunting. That's happy shadow of mine. We're ready, all set. See you on the water. Okay guys, I'm pretty pumped. I always wanted to come to this area. I've been told a lot about it from my buddy and I'm finally here. Let's see what's there for us. We can't check the waves, we can't check the wind, but we can check the water visibility. It's kinda milky, so we have to come up with some skills in order to get the fish attracted to us. Sanding and grunting is a key for such a situation. That will attract the fish to us. We could locate where it is hiding. All I have to do now is just go show the light. And boom, here we go baby, headshot. We have friends here in town, and seems that our grouper have a very good reputation. They wanted to try the grouper of our local waters. We get to treat them well. I saw this one swimming nearby. When it saw me, it got spooked and swam away. But groupers, when they run in a straight line and they will hide in the first opening. So all I have to do is to find it again now. Busted. Ooh, I'm getting smoked guys. Wow, that thing is powerful. I get to secure the fish. I'm lucky to land this fish. The spear tip didn't make it to the other side. What I'm doing here guys, I'm bleeding the fish. I'm cutting the gills to open the blood circuit. While the fish is still alive, you open the gills, it will pump the blood out of its body. That will make the residual blood in the fish body less. I think we have enough. let's head back home now. Okay guys, I'm kinda pumped. Adrenaline rush still all over my body. And because resistance creates desire, I decided to take this one. There is 2 of us and our friends, so 3 groupers will definitely do. That is a lot of rabbit fish, but today we have had enough. But it's a good place to come for night dive, as rabbit fish is delicious and much popular at night time. That's my happy shadow again. Another day, we just left the water. This day was amazing. I really enjoyed it. I'll show you the catch. Groupers has to be 45 centimeters minimum. Why I'm highlighting this? Because this will keep the fishing act sustainable. If we take the fish above 45 centimeters, that means it has produced already. They clean the grouper, they cut it into 2 halves. The one with the spine and one without the spine. The one without the spine will be much tastier because it has absorbed the spices and the oil into it. We always wash our equipments with fresh water, and that is to increase the lifetime of our equipments since they are all made of rubber and plastic. Safety of my gear is my safety as well, so it is important. So guys, that was secret spot number 1, and that's the first episode of this series. I wish you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot myself. I was so glad to see such a healthy ecosystem under the water. That's so promising. We took what we will eat and we kept the rest for later. The ocean will never run out of water and it will never run out of fishes. I wish you enjoyed this. If you want to see more, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time. For more good stuff, click right here. And for more good stuff, click right here.